Welcome to Easy Writing. Hey kids, let's practice some picture sentence making. Let's go. This is the picture and we are going to write some sentences. The boy is watering a plant. He takes care of the flowers. The plant looks fresh and healthy. This is the next picture. The girl is reading a book. She enjoys learning new things. Reading makes her smart. The next picture. The dog is playing with the ball. It runs happily in the garden. The dog looks very playful. This is the next picture. The boy is drinking milk. Milk helps him grow strong. He enjoys his healthy drink. The next picture is the girl is getting on the school bus. She is excited to go to school. She loves learning with her friends. The next picture. The boy is sleeping peacefully. The moon shines outside the window. A good sleep keeps him healthy. This is the next picture. The children are flying a kite. The kite is high in the sky. They are having lots of fun. The next picture. The girl is eating an apple. Apples are good for health. She enjoys the juicy fruit. And the next picture. The boy is riding his bicycle. He wears a helmet for safety. Cycling is a fun exercise. This is the next picture. The girl is feeding the birds. The birds gather around her. She is kind to animals. And this is the next picture. The children are planting a tree. They want to keep the earth green. Trees give us fresh air. And the next picture is the boys are playing football. They run fast on the field. Everyone is enjoying the game. This is the next picture. The girl is helping her mother. She is setting the table. Helping at home is a good habit. And the next picture is the boy is drawing a picture. He uses many bright colors. His artwork looks beautiful. This is the next picture. The children are swimming in the pool. They splash water happily. Swimming keeps the body fit. This is the next picture. The family is visiting the zoo. They are watching the animals. Everyone is excited and happy. This is the next picture. The children are playing in the rain. They wear colorful raincoats. They are having great fun. And the next picture is the boy is cleaning his room. He puts the toys in place. A clean room looks nice. And this is the next picture. The children are making a sand castle. They are playing on the beach. Their sand castle looks amazing. And the next picture is The girl is feeding a rabbit. The rabbit likes fresh carrots. It looks cute and happy. And the next picture is the boy is crossing the road. He uses the zebra crossing. He follows traffic rules. The next picture is the girl is in a flower garden. She is looking at colorful flowers. The garden is very beautiful. The next picture is the boy is playing with his toys. He has many toy cars. He is having a wonderful time. The next picture is the girl is washing her hands. She uses soap and water. Clean hands keep us healthy. And the next picture is the children are celebrating a birthday. They sing songs and cut a cake. Everyone looks happy and excited. So, you need to start each sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Keep learning, keep writing, and keep shining. See you in the next session on easy writing. Take care. Bye.